With the amount of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide contributing to climate change, a lot of scientists are looking for a solution. But rather than looking to the skies for the answer, NASA's looking down, all the way down here, in the ocean. This is a phytoplankton, and this tiny microscopic creature may be the key to Earth's heating problems. Phytoplankton are small, about 10 micrometers, too small to be seen with the naked eye, but bloom in massive numbers, changing the ocean from this to this. It can even be seen in an aerial view. Because of this, NASA's been able to monitor phytoplankton from the edge of our atmosphere. Phytoplankton are not singular organisms, but rather millions of tiny living bacteria, protists, and single-celled plants that have one thing in common: photosynthesis. Through this process, phytoplankton produce oxygen, and a large amount of it. It's estimated that phytoplankton provide 50% of oxygen in the atmosphere, and they take carbon dioxide at a scale equivalent to all forests and other land plants on Earth, thereby absorbing a large percentage of greenhouse gases in the form of carbon dioxide. Phytoplankton also play a critical role in the marine food chain, being the primary producers of food in the ocean's food web, from zooplankton all the way to whales. Without their existence, no other bigger marine creature would be able to survive. But how do these microscopic creatures help us? NASA, or more specifically, NAMES, seeks to find the answers to that. See, when animal plankton and bacteria eat phytoplankton, the organic compounds the plants produce get broken into itty-bitty pieces. These small particles become aerosolized, which means they get lifted out of the ocean and into the atmosphere by wind and breaking waves, where they become condensation nuclei around which water droplets form. Additionally, phytoplankton produce a gas called dimethyl sulfide, or DMS, and as it passes into the atmosphere, it rapidly breaks down. The resulting sulfur compounds become aerosols, or microscopic particles in the atmosphere. When the water condenses around a collection of these aerosols, they form clouds. Still, what's the big deal about clouds? Well, think of clouds as the justice system of heating. What's the rule of the land? The law of conservation of energy, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. This means that energy absorbed by the Earth from the Sun must balance the energy radiated by Earth back into space. Clouds containing aerosols both reflect incoming sunlight and inhibit the radiation from the surface, thereby affecting both sides of the global energy balance equation. So, as the Earth absorbs more heat with the expanding greenhouse effect, clouds aim to keep it fair by absorbing heat, intaking massive amount of carbon and creating clouds. While phytoplankton seem small, they prove that the ripple effects of small things are extraordinary. By studying the bloom cycles of these creatures, NASA aims to tell the tale of these unsung microscopic heroes.